Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone is unlocked and has at least 20% battery so you won't interrupt the process. Next, open the app that contains the recording, voice recorder, files, or camera, and navigate directly to the file. Once you see it, note the exact file name, date, and folder path. This prevents accidental deletion of the wrong item. Make sure you have permission to delete it if it's shared or company-owned. You now perform the core action. Select the recording using a long press or the item checkbox, then open the menu to see Delete, Move, or Share. If you delete, make sure to empty the app trash or recently deleted folder to remove it permanently. If you prefer transfer, move the file to a secure cloud folder or SD card, then delete the original. Once done, verify no synced backups remain. Otherwise, the file will You finish by verifying the recording is fully gone. Check the app list, the trash or recently deleted, and any cloud sync accounts. If the file still appears, reboot the phone to refresh the media index and rescan storage in your file manager. This often clears phantom entries. Make sure to inspect third-party backup apps and shared folders as a troubleshooting step. If problems persist, temporarily disable sync and remove the file again to ensure it does not reappear.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.